Imagine this. You walk into your kitchen and the smell of freshly baked bread wraps around you like a warm hug. No preservatives, no weird ingredients, just soft, golden, wholesome bread you made by yourself. Sounds good? Let's make it happen. Today I'm showing you my foolproof whole wheat bread recipe. Fluffy, flavorful, and packed with goodness. Don't worry, the fancy gadgets or professional bakery skills aren't required. Stick with me till the end because I'll share my secret steps to keep this bread soft for days. We start with warm water, not too hot, not too cold, just like a cozy bath for our yeast, and a little honey for natural sweetness, and butter for extra richness and to lock in the moisture. All this goes into our whole wheat flour, earthy, nutty, and full of fiber. Your body will definitely thank you. If you've got a mixer, that's great. Mix it on mid-high speed till beautiful, smooth, and stretchy. If you've got just your hands, mix, knead, and yes, this is where you get to play with your food. Kneading is like giving your dough a gentle massage. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and bouncy, like a little bread pillow. We'll let it rise, then shape it, tuck it into the loaf pan, and let it puff up again. I shape my dough by using my fingers to press it out and rolling it tightly, tucking it in and placing it into my already greased pan. However, if you've got a rolling pin, that still works and will make your work faster. It is important to know that your rising time depends solely on your climate. I let mine rise for just 20 minutes and I brushed with some honey and water. At this point, go ahead and preheat your oven or air fryer to 170 degrees while you brush your bread loaves with some honey and water. In it goes to my air fryer and I baked for just 25 minutes. This is pure harmony in a baking pan. Once it gets out of the oven or air fryer, it is important to brush with the honey and water glaze. This keeps your bread soft and moist for days. And there it is, golden, soft, and warm enough to melt your butter on contacts. Look at that crumb. Airy, tender, and ready for sandwiches, toast, or just tearing apart while it's still steaming hot. If you're all about food that's fresh, healthy, and just plain delicious, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe. Tell me in the comments if this loaf is baking in your kitchen today. And until next time, keep your oven warm and your bread soft.